either a poet, or you're a lover, or you're the best you think you can be. You take one road, you try one door, there isn't time for any more. Your life consists of either or. One has regrets, which one forgets. And as the years go on, the road you didn't take hardly comes around, does it? The door you didn't try, where could it have led? The choice you didn't make never was defined, was it? The dream you didn't dare are dead. Were they even there? Who says? I don't remember. I don't remember at all. You yearn for the women, long for the money, envy the big successes you see. You take your road, the decades fly, the yearnings fade, the longing die. You learn to bid them all goodbye, and oh, the peace, the blessed peace, at last you come to know. The road you didn't take goes through rocky ground, don't they? The choices that you made weren't all that green.